Hey guys, I'm Mark with the Ovalrc, and today I have with me the official starter of the Mud Bog, Dave. Dave, we are going to be unboxing the hottest new truck from Traxxas today. What is it?
It is the Maxx.
Or is it? You take a look at the box right here, and if we take a look, it just says Maxx. Until you spin it around, then it says the new features: Widemaxx, extended chassis, Sledgehammer tires, 4S lipo, 60+ mile per hour. Guys are calling this the V2. Why? I don't know. I looked all over the box, and let's take a look. We look on the front. We look on the sides. I can't find V2 anywhere. I went into my hobby shop and said, hey, I want the V2, and they looked at me like I had 4 heads. So this is pretty much how it happened. I walk into my local hobby shop. Hello, Mr. Super Awesome Hobby Shop owner. Would you happen to have the new V2? So I had to stop for a minute and rethink what I was saying. Maybe I'm not asking the right question. I do it again. Hello, Mr. Super Awesome Hobby Shop owner. Would you happen to have the Traxxas Maxx with Widemaxx?
Yes, as a matter of fact.
It's not called the V2, it's just a Maxx with Widemaxx. So let's get this thing unboxed today, and we're gonna put it on this basher course over here. We're gonna run it up the hill climb over there, and then we're gonna test it through the mud pit. And our official starter of the Mud Bog, Dave, he's gonna be putting this truck to the test today. Dave, are you ready to put this Maxx through the test?
Oh, we're gonna see what it's got.
So you will need a charger and you will need a battery to run this truck. That does not come with the truck, but you can get the completer pack, and that's number 2998 from Traxxas. Has the same size battery as the Xmaxx, and how awesome is that? Because I already have 2 Xmaxx batteries, and now I don't need a different size battery. And we have this 8 amp charger, charges it up really fast. It took me about a half an hour, 45 minutes to charge this battery. Let's get this out of the box, get the battery out of the box, put it in our truck, and see what we got here. We're gonna go through this pretty quick, guys, so we can get this truck on the track. We have your TQ Top Qualifier Traxxas 2.4 gigahertz transmitter. Oh man, this thing looks good already. Come on out. Has the body clip system. Whew, I love these colors. Look at the colors on this truck. And you can see the body clip system up front and the rear. Looks really sweet. In the box, you get your owner's manual, and you get a few extra parts, and you get a lug nut wrench. All right, now you guys can see the Widemaxx suspension installed from the factory. This truck is longer, it's wider. Look at the size of this battery. Traxxas lipo 6700 milliamp hour battery, 4-cell. That battery fits real nice right down inside. Got the new bigger Sledgehammer tires, and you can see the gap between the ESC and the brushless motor. Guys, the Ovalrc channel is a big fan of Traxxas, and I'm gonna tell you why. Because this is the company right here that got me started in RC. In RC racing even. My first truck was a Slash, and what I liked about it was you buy the truck, they offer the batteries, and they offer the charger. So you get everything that you need. Is this the best charger out on the market today? No, but is it the easiest? Probably, because all you have to do is plug this charger in, plug your battery in, hit the start button, it beeps when it's done, and you're ready to go race your truck. It doesn't get any easier for the new guy. Very simple transmitter that comes with the truck. Does have the TSM, that's Traxxas Stability Management System. Has some adjustment knobs right here for the TSM and for your steering. Okay, we got our batteries in the transmitter. Now we're ready to turn that on. Plug the battery into the ESC, turn on the truck. We got a green light right here on top of the ESC. Let's put the body on the truck and get ready to run it. This thing is way too nice to take out on the basher course and to run through that mud pit today, but we gotta see if it can handle it. We're ready to rock and roll, here we go. Dave, are you ready to send this truck today?
I'm ready.
Where are we gonna head first?
I say we do the hill climb.
Let's do it. All right, we're standing on the side of this hill here.
That's misleading.
We had the best place to test this truck. We're at the Pheasantland RC Park in Boyertown, PA. Got the basher course that Dave's standing on right now, and I'm standing on this massive hill climb. We're gonna try to tackle this first. Dave thought he was gonna make it up the first try. Didn't happen on that one. Still didn't make it up the hill. There it goes, there it goes. Oh no, it didn't make it. Didn't make it, but he found the path. Can he do it this time? There it is, makes it over the top. Oh, wow. He's getting it under control now. The RC Mud Bog here at Pheasantland RC Park has been insane. If you guys haven't checked out that footage lately on the channel, you better go check it out now. The official starter, Dave, are you ready?
Driver ready. Driver set.
Stock Max, out of the box with Widemaxx. It's the new model. Driver's ready. Driver's set. Go. Oh. Got about 4 inches of water in there and really, really soupy mud. Dave, take another run. Here we go. And she made it through. Woo! What a day on the basher course on the hill climb and in the mud pit it was today. Dave, what an awesome truck this is, isn't it?
I think it's an amazing little truck.
Yeah.
It's not that little though, is it? It's
No.
wider, it's longer. It's an impressive vehicle for sure.
And we ran it through the thrashing that you guys wanted to see.
We did. We put it through
Yeah.
its paces. Water, hill climbs, big jumps.
Subscribe to the Ovalrc. Don't forget you can join my Facebook group. That's the Ovalrc. And we'll see you next time.